Okay, look, you're passing. The passing is not good. You stay here, see, look my lower leg, so loosened up. When you do the passing promenade, your leg loosened up like here, it's not work. You gotta use your toes, glue on your supporting leg. Glue on it. Nobody can separate. No, you got glue on it. See, your both leg become one piece. So you go, will be much easier. Then first thing you have to really work on. Don't let your passing drop down or get away. Stay glue on it. Okay? And then second things, shoulder, really need to push it down. Okay, when you do the first patient arm, so shoulder down, very strong, your back muscle will be tight. If you not push it down, your back, see, all loosened up. Okay, so now push down shoulder. Okay, from leg side, just work on two things. Glue your toes on your supporting leg. Make sure when you hold the arms here, use your arm, help your shoulder go down. I want your toes glue on it, your shoulder really push down. I need your whole body united, one piece. That will be very easy to move. If your body has hundreds of pieces in there, very hard to move. That's the main reason why I asked these two things. Shoulder down, glue on it, and then go. Okay? We try one more time. Okay? Try one more time. Work on it. I want your toes glue on it, your shoulder really push down. I need your whole body united, one piece. That will be very easy to move. If your body has hundreds of pieces in there, very hard to move. That's the main reason why I asked these two things. Shoulder down, glue on it, and then go.